Hi dear children, welcome back to our biology class. In the previous class we studied about what happens if fertilization fails to occur. Today we are going to study about how the fertilization occurs.
Let's look what happens if fertilization occurs. The ovum released from the ovary reaches the oviduct. Though many sperms reach the oviduct, only one sperm fuses with the ovum. Single-celled zygote undergoes division to become a multicellular embryo. The embryo develops by attaching itself to the endometrium, the inner layer of uterus. Many sperms reach the oviduct, only one sperm fuses with the ovum. The single-celled zygote undergoes division to become a multicellular embryo. The embryo develops by attaching itself to the endometrium, the inner layer of uterus. Let's look once more about the fertilization. First, ovulation. Ovulation is the process of releasing ovum from the ovary. Then the ovum fuses with the sperm in the oviduct. Then the zygote is formed. The zygote undergoes continuous cell division. Then the embryo is developed. The embryo adhering to the uterus, and it develops into a fetus. Now we will discuss about the placenta. Placenta is the part by which the embryo attaches itself to the endometrium and develops. Placenta is composed of fetal tissues and uterine tissues. Oxygen and nutrients reach the fetus through the umbilical cord developed from placenta. Waste materials are also eliminated through the placenta. Placenta helps in the exchange of materials between the mother and the fetus without mixing their blood. The growth of the fetus completes within the amnion, the membranous covering formed from the embryonic cells during the initial stages of growth. The amniotic fluid within this covering prevents dehydration of the fetus and protects it from shocks. Placenta is the part of embryo. Oxygen and nutrients reach the fetus through the umbilical cord. The membranous covering formed from the embryonic cells during the initial stages of growth is called amnion. The amniotic fluid within this covering prevents dehydration of the fetus and protects it from shocks. Next, let's look about parturition. The gestation period of human beings is about 270 to 280 days. During this period, the fetus completes its growth through gradual changes and the fully grown baby comes out through the vagina. This process is called parturition. The growth of fetus and the birth of the baby are complex processes. Only a woman with physical and mental maturity can accept these changes and give birth to a healthy baby. Dear children, there is an activity for you. Complete the given table suitably. Okay children, let's wind up our today's class. I hope all of you understood about today's topics. Study well, read the textbook carefully. See you in the next class. Thank you.